How much does it cost to evaluate a car accident case here in the state of New York? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a personal injury and car accident trial attorney here in the state of New York. The answer is a lot less than you think. Unlike in a medical malpractice case where we have to get tons of records and get the records reviewed by a medical expert, in New York, in a car accident case, we don't have to do half of that stuff. We don't need a medical expert to confirm that you have a valid basis for a case in the state of New York. Instead, what we have to do is we have to accumulate your records, we have to get the police report, we have to do an investigation, and that will cost money to do that, but we don't have to get a medical expert to confirm that you have a valid basis for a case. And that's a significant difference between a medical malpractice evaluation and a car accident case. I've heard stories where clients have come into an attorney's office, they tell them they've been involved in a car accident, next thing you know, before they even leave the office, they've started a lawsuit. How? Because now they have information about the fact that they were a passenger in a car, they got hit in the rear, and now it's clear-cut and obvious about what happened. The only question then becomes, what are the injuries that you've now suffered? Evaluating a car accident case and whether or not you have a valid basis for a case is totally different than in a medical malpractice case here in the state of New York. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the evaluation process when you come into an attorney's office. An attorney doesn't have to go through the same type of investigation, but I will tell you that an attorney does have to do a thorough investigation to determine what the facts were, to determine on their own what actually occurred, and get the police reports, talk to witnesses, go to the scene, get pictures, and that's critical when doing a thorough investigation to determine whether or not you have a valid basis for bringing a car accident case here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you probably have questions of your own about your own car accident matter, and if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, here's what I want you to do. I want you to pick up the phone and call me because I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.